Hey, what's up? I'm walking towards the conference to register, get started, and I have my house mom here, Mary, who's taking me. I mean, she's been such an incredible host. You've been a great host. Do you want to put Google? Mary, you've been a great host.
My house.
You've been a great host.
Mi casa ha sido gran anfitrión. Gracias. Gracias.
So this is how we've been translating, and Google Translate has turned me into a lazy ass when it comes to learning languages, because now I don't have to learn. I just speak into a phone, and two people who don't understand each other actually can. This is pretty neat. I wish I learned to speak Spanish. But anyway, Airbnb is so cool because it allows people who are, lonely. She's, Mary's like this wonderful human being who's like a, are you listening? She's translating this in real time and she's laughing her ass off at me.
Convierte en un asno.
What does that mean?
Un asno. Conviérteme en
I'm
un
a
asno.
lazy ass. Oh, yeah. She's laughing at my lazy ass comment. It's translating in real time. So Mary's really cool because 12 years ago, her husband died. She's got 2 kids and they have moved and forward in their lives, and so she's super duper lonely and has this amazing maternal instinct, and she loves taking care of people. So Airbnb guests who come to Port Aventura, which is this like a theme park, like a Canada's Wonderland or a Six Flags type of deal, and this is the community that's around it, and she puts her place up and then feeds a lovely breakfast and shows people around. She picked me up from the train station. Like, we're talking like concierge service over here at like bargain basement prices, which is amazing because the hotel was completely sold out and I had no choice, and this place is off season, so there are no hotels around here. I had no choice and I totally lucked out. Hey, I want to tell you I totally lucked out by finding you. I don't know if that's going to translate.
Quiero decirte que tuve mucha suerte encontrándote. No. Gracias.
She got it. See? We can translate thanks to Google. iPhones. My God. It's amazing. It's amazing, right? Like, all we're doing here for the past 2 days is just laughing our asses off at the fact that we can't communicate, but we're able to communicate. This is so neat. Anyway, I hope you'll join me on this journey over the next week, because I'm now committing that 2018 is a year where I'm going to basically live from my heart. I'm going to do what I love. I'm going to learn what I love. I'm going to teach what I love and help the people along the path that I cross paths with virtually and in person, in live trainings and in my video blogs. And the whole purpose is to get you from a point of career and relationship anxiety, which I've lived through, going through a divorce and a career change, to a point where you're actually serving people from your heart, meeting incredible people, making connections all over the world, like I'm doing right now with this lovely young lady, hot Spanish date of mine, and just really kind of helping elevate consciousness just by living in the present moment and serving from that place. And the whole concept of the fears of the future being quelled by creating your future, a future that you're living in abundance, having amazing experiences, and you get to contribute by being yourself. And so this seems to be the path that I've been on, and it's a very healing one for me. So I'm now seeing that the clients that I'm working with are taking their mess through whatever it is, whether it's PTSD, whether it's going through major health crises, they're now turning it in, or death of children, whatever's held them back from living their purpose, they're now living it because they've learned how, taking the tools to be able to transform their challenges into something that they can make their message, turning their mess into their message. And so that's what I'm doing, and it's really neat to be able to be contributing to a community of people who are doing the same. So what did you think of that?
Speak very, very quick for me. Speak slowly, please.
Okay. We'll catch you on the flip side, you guys. I'll see you at the next perfect time. Ask me any questions about this journey, and I'm happy to answer it, solve it, and connect with you. Peace out.